I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade Almond Joy ice cream. In order to make this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 frozen bananas, 3 tablespoons of dark chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of raw almonds, and 3/4 a cup of almond milk. To make this ice cream, we're going to combine all of the ingredients into a blender and blend until it starts to form a really smooth, creamy ice cream-like consistency. Once you're done blending, your ice cream should turn out to be a thick, soft serve-like consistency. If you want your ice cream a little bit harder, you can actually freeze it for about 30 to 40 minutes to make it a harder ice cream-like consistency. I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and that's how you make homemade Almond Joy ice cream.